How to use Western Union Visa card. So if you want to use Western Union Visa card, then what you need to do is first you need to watch this video till the end. So there are two ways to add it. One is by adding it into your wallet application, or you can use it directly from the Western Union application. So first you need to head over to the application or your app library and then search for wallet. Once you've searched for wallet, you can tap on it. Click on the plus icon, which will be in the top right, and then simply type down your card number. And also, you can also upload the pictures of your front side and your back side of your card. So once done, you can simply use your Western Union Visa card through the application of the wallet. And the next way is you can head over to your Western Union application, click on track, which will be in the bottom left. You can select whether you're a receiver or a sender. In our case, we will select sender and click on track a transfer without MTCN. And here you got to type in the amount that you wish to send. And then once you add the amount, they will ask you to add the Western Union Visa card or any of the debit card number. You can type in the card number, the expiry date, the CVV number, and then the card will be selected in your application. And as you can make your future transactions as well. They will use that Western Union Visa card for your future transactions. So that is basically how you can use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.